In this lesson, we'll add the Material UI component library to our project. It's actually a two-step process, and you can find the instructions on the official MUI.com website. So the way you can get to this installation page is from the home page. You can click on Get Started, and then open up the left-hand menu, which may appear on full screen mode. Otherwise, click it to expand it. And here you'll see an installation option. This is just the easiest way to avoid any kind of typos. So the first thing we're going to need to do is to install three dependencies: MUI Material, Emotion React, and Emotion Style. So on this website, you can actually copy the installation command, and I'm going to paste it right here in my terminal within our employee registry project. So there are my three dependencies. Again, that @ sign simply indicates the organization. So the organization is called MUI, and the repository or project within that organization is called Material. Same thing for the Emotion React library, right? That avoids any problems with a library called React, because now this library name is namespaced under the @emotion organization. And same thing with style. So three of these libraries, they're all dependencies. So I'm going to press enter to execute that. And the next thing we're going to need to do is to add a font to our project, the Roboto font. So if I scroll down on this page, you'll see it says Material UI was designed with the Roboto font in mind. So it just looks better if we're utilizing this specific font. And the easiest way to add a font to our project is to simply add a link tag to our index.html file, where we'll provide a reference to the fonts.googleapis.com website. And that will pull in the font and make it available throughout our entire project. So what I'm going to do is copy the code right here. It's just a style sheet that specifies the Roboto font as well as a couple font weights. So the font at 300, 400, 500, and 700, basically just different font sizes or font weights like boldness and things like that. And so I'm going to transition to VS Code. And here what I want to do is open the index.html file. It's in the public folder. And remember, this is the starter HTML file. This is the one that has that div with an ID of root that React locates and embeds itself within and launches the React application from. So this is our starter file. And here in the head section, really anywhere, we just need to paste that link that's going to fetch the style sheet with the Roboto font. So I'm just going to paste it right here. Here's that code, and now it's been formatted by Prettier. And this is a one-time process. So now we have the Roboto font available in our project, and we also have the three dependencies installed. So in the very next lesson, we're going to start to see some of the available components in this library. So lots of fun stuff up ahead, and I will see you in the next lesson.